Good day, wonderful learners! Welcome to our channel. Many of us get confused when we speak because we are not sure which tense to use. In real conversations, we often speak quickly and need to respond fast. But that's hard to do if your brain is still trying to figure out what to say and how to say it. This video is about the present simple tense, which is used in many everyday situations. By understanding this tense well, you can speak more confidently and quickly because you'll know exactly when and how to use it. Let's get started. To use the present simple, you only need to remember the situations where we use it. The first situation is daily routine. When you talk or hear about someone's everyday habits or schedule, that is your clue to use the present simple. It describes actions we do regularly. So think about your typical day and remember, to talk about it, you'll use the present simple. As for me, I would say that my daily routine starts with breakfast. So I wake up around 6 a.m., do my morning exercises. After that, I have a shower and prepare breakfast. In these sentences, I used the base form of the verb wake up, do exercises, have a shower. Now, if I talk about someone else, like my neighbor, the verb form changes a little. For example, she wakes up at 7 a.m. After that, she comes to the kitchen and makes toast and eats it with freshly made coffee. In these sentences, I added the letter S to the main verb because the subject is she. Wakes up, comes, makes, eats. So for he, she and it, don't forget to add S to the verb in the present simple tense. This is one of the most common grammar rules in English and also one of the easiest to forget when speaking fast. We've just talked about daily routines, but our days aren't only about necessary activities like work or school. We also have habits, hobbies, and free time. And these actions also belong in the present simple tense. For example, after my working day, I usually watch YouTube or scroll social media to relax. I sometimes read books or go swimming. On Friday evenings, I usually go to the cinema and meet my friends. As you can see, we already have a lot to say about ourselves using the present simple. Whenever you want to talk about things that are true, regular or part of your routine, including habits, hobbies or fun activities, the present simple is the right choice. The present simple is used when we talk about facts. For example, I go swimming quite regularly. When you swim regularly, your muscles become stronger. Your body becomes more flexible. Swimming also helps you relax and reduce stress. After a good swim, I usually feel more energetic and focused. In my sentences, I used general truth and facts. Your muscles become stronger, and swimming improves your mood. If you want to say what someone looks like, we use the present simple because describing people, their appearance, personality or style. It's about facts that are generally true, not temporary situations. For example, she has long curly hair. He wears glasses. A big part of our daily routine is our working schedule, with its timetables and fixed activities. There is no exception here. Since these actions happen regularly, we use the present simple to talk about them. For example, I start work at 9 a.m. and finish at 6. She always checks her emails at home. Let's summarize when we use the present simple. We use it when talk about daily routines, things we do every day, habits, regular and repeated actions, general facts and truth, things that are always true, timetables and schedules, fixed future events. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. And to check your understanding, please follow the link in the video description for our free grammar quiz. If you found this video valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out. Thank you for watching and see you next time.